Experiencing a frozen screen or unresponsive infotainment system in your Kia Seltos? You're not alone. Kia's infotainment systems, while advanced, can sometimes glitch. There are three main types of resets to address these issues: soft reboot, hard reboot, and factory reset. A soft reboot is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary memory. A hard reboot involves disconnecting the car battery for a more complete power cycle. A factory reset wipes all personal data and settings, returning the system to its original state. Performing these resets is essential for troubleshooting common issues like freezing, unresponsiveness, or connectivity problems. Remember to perform resets while parked to avoid distractions. For a soft reboot, press and hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 5 to 10 seconds until it powers off. Wait 30 seconds, then press the power button again to restart. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. You may need to confirm with a PIN, often 00 or your vehicle's PIN. This process takes 5 to 15 minutes and will erase all your personal data, so back up important information beforehand. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect your accounts. These resets are effective for resolving persistent software issues, especially after software updates. Always consult your vehicle's manual for model-specific instructions.